Hello dear learners, I am Rahul. Welcome to ECLE. ECLE means everybody can learn English. Today in this video we are about to talk common English grammar mistakes and how to avoid them. There are many common grammar mistakes that people make. So here are some of the most common ones and how to avoid them. First is that subject-verb agreement. These mistakes happen when subject and verb do not agree in number. For example, saying the group of students is going instead of the group of students are going. Avoid these mistakes always. Make sure that the subject and verb match in number. Second is that using the wrong tense. These mistakes happen when wrong tense is used in sentence. For example, saying I go to gym yesterday instead of I went to the gym yesterday. Avoid this mistake. Always make sure that verb tense match the time frame in the sentence. Third is that using the wrong word. These mistakes happen when word is used incorrectly in sentence. For example, I am saying I am adverse to spicy food instead of I am averse to spicy food. To avoid these mistakes, always check definition of the word before using it. Fourth is that misusing apostrophe. These mistakes happen when apostrophe is used incorrectly, such as in plural or possessives. For example, saying I have 3 apples instead of I have 3 apples. To avoid this mistake, remember that apostrophes are used to indicate position or indication, not plurals. Fifth is that confusing there, and there. These mistakes happen when sentence word used incorrectly. For example, saying they are going to park instead they are going to park. Avoid this mistake. Remember that THEIR indicate positions, THERE refers location, and THEY apostrophe RE use contractions. It means they are. Sixth is that run-on sentence. These mistakes happen when two sentences and more independent clauses are joined without proper punctuations. For example, saying I went to a store, I bought some milk and egg instead of I went to a store, I bought some milk and egg. Avoid these mistakes. Make sure proper punctuations separate independent clause. Seventh is that fragmented sentence. What is this? These mistakes happen when sentence is incomplete or lack of subject and verb. For example, saying on the table instead of the book is on the table. Avoid this mistake. Make sure that every sentence has subject and verb is complete. Eight is that double negative. These mistakes happen when two negative words are used sentence creating a positive meaning. For example, saying I don't have no money instead of you can say that I don't have any money. Avoid these mistakes. Use only negative word in sentence. By being aware these common mistakes grammar happen, practicing good grammar habits and you can improve your English writing and communication. So I hope this video will be useful for you and I think you can avoid these mistakes. So how this video? Please tell me in comment box, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and you have to share this video. So let's meet another this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.